Hi guys, this is Dan from Excel Sports Coaching, here to deliver another fitness session. This one's going to be more of a CrossFit style workout today. Before we get started though, we're going to do a bit of mobility work just to get our hips a bit more supple, ready for the workout ahead. So start off with, take yourself down into a deep squat. The deeper you can go, the better for you. Okay, but obviously keep it nice and comfortable. From here, we're just going to rock from side to side. You can push your knees out just to open that stretch a little bit more. Turn your knees a little bit more as well to get deeper into that squat. Just to open up our hips a little bit. Make sure we keep our heels flat on the floor as well. Okay, then from here, arms down, we're going to reach them up. And we're going to do this about 3 times. Again, stay as low as we can. That's good. Then from here, we're going to grab our ankles, push our bottoms up to the ceiling to stretch our back of our legs, our hamstrings. And then from here, you're going to walk it out into a front support position. Then we're going to go Spider-Man stretch. So we're going to put our leg to the outside, try and open that hip up a little bit, then back down. Other side. That's 1 rep for those. Second rep come in. Good. Other side. 1 more from each side. Explore. There we go. And then the other side. Good. And then from here, walk your hands back in. Stretch those hamstrings again for a moment. Stretch all the way up. Then from here, we're going to take it into a side lunge. Bring your feet back together. Then you're going to slide this foot to the back and go down as low as we can. Back up. This time, we're going to stretch this side. When we get back to the center, again, slide this foot this time behind. Try and go as low as we can. Once more each side, so we go out this side. Come back. This leg to the back. Slide it down. Back up. This side. Stretch out. Back to the middle. This side. To the back. And back up again. Okay, shake that off. So, the workout today is 6 rounds for time. So, it's completely up to you how many rest breaks you take in between. You just keep going till you completed everything. So the moves we're going to be doing today are press-ups, V sit-ups, and jumping squats. Obviously there's some variations for those ones who are finding these things a little bit difficult. So if you're going to do a press-up, you can either do the full press-up from here, nice straight body. Try and keep your elbows tucked in, not flaring out, all the way down and back up. If that's too difficult, go on your knees. Go down and back up. Or we can do our sprinting knee push-up. So where we go down, rock back, down and rock back. We're going to be doing 10 of those. And then we're going to switch over onto our backs. Legs straight for the V sit-up, so arms above head. From here, up and down. If that's difficult, bend your knees. So we come here and back down. If that's too difficult, feet flat on the floor and just come up and through. Okay, so there we're going to do 15 of those. And then to finish off with, for the round, we're going to be doing 20 jumping squats. So from here, squat, jump, jump. Again, if that's too difficult, just keep it to normal squats and we'll go from there. So get on some music and we'll go for it, okay? Remember, time yourself as well. So here we go. Let's go. So 10 press-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you complete them into the V sit-ups for 15. From there, jumping squat. Remember, you can mix it up as much as you like. That's round 1 done. You can go straight in there, take a breath if you need to. And we've got 6 rounds of these to go. Get the sweat on already. Here we go. Guys, keep going, you're doing well, that's round 2. Only 4 more rounds to go. Remember guys, don't forget to breathe in between. Okay, here we go again. Guys, that's 3 rounds. 3 more rounds to go. Guys, hope you managed to complete that workout of 6 rounds for time. Please like, share, subscribe to our XL page to get everybody else involved. Also, post your times. Let us know what you did. See if anybody can beat the time that I set out there, which was 8 minutes and 15 seconds 96, as you can see from my watch there. It's a full body workout. Works obviously your arms, works your core muscles, works your legs as well. Guys, give it a try. Let us know how you get on. Thank you for now. Bye.